Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this device can't use a trusted platform module. Hello Bitlocker without a compatible TPM option in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type gpedit. Comes up edit group policy, click on open it. You just need to click on computer configuration. Under computer configuration, you just need to expand the administrative templates. You just need to expand the Windows components. And now search for BitLocker encryption. Expand it. Operation system drives. On right side, we just need to double click on the require additional authentication at startup. Double click on it. Set this to enabled and check mark this option under configure TPM startup. You just need to allow everything guys over here. After that click on apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. After getting update has completed successfully, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.